Reba and Kyrie's Counting Fun with Mr. Clyde. Hello, friends! I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Clyde. It's time to have some counting fun with Kyrie, me, and Mr. Clyde. First, Mr. Clyde needs to wash his convertible. Microfiber cloths will give it a good shine. And here they are. 4 microfiber cloths here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in the bakery, Mr. Clyde is ordering 6 bagels with cream cheese. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see here? 6 bagels with cream cheese right there in the middle. Mr. Clyde is ordering new pairs of blue jeans online. He needs 4 pair. Check out the blue jeans he just ordered. 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Mr. Clyde is thinking. He's thinking he should order 4 pairs of new cowboy boots too. Yes, this is a good idea. 4 pairs of cowboy boots added to his online order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Clyde loves his music and he loves playing records on his record player. Mr. Clyde is purchasing 6 new vinyl records to play on his record player. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down at the Mexican restaurant, Mr. Clyde is going to order 8 tacos for dinner. Senor Pedro, the owner of the Mexican restaurant, is very pleased. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Check out these 8 delicious tacos Mr. Clyde will have for dinner. Well, friends, that about wraps up our time with Mr. Clyde. We hope you enjoyed this counting fun, and we'll check you out soon.